In 2025, a massive new tax law was signed that affects every single American who earns money, files taxes, or is planning for retirement. It's called the One Big Beautiful Bill Act. And whether you've heard of it or not, it's already changing your financial life. Today, we're breaking it down in plain English. No jargon, no confusion, just what changed, what it means for your wallet, and exactly what you should do about it right now. The One Big Beautiful Bill Act, also called the OBBA, was signed into law on July 4, 2025. It made permanent most of the tax cuts that were originally passed in 2017 under the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act, which were set to expire. Without this new law, taxes for most Americans would have gone up significantly in 2026. Instead, the lower rates were locked in permanently, and several new benefits were added on top. Think of it this way. The government just confirmed the tax rules you'll be living under for the foreseeable future. That means you can finally plan with confidence. One of the biggest numbers in your tax return is the standard deduction, the amount the IRS lets you subtract from your income before calculating what you owe. And in 2026, it went up again. For tax year 2026, the standard deduction is $1,600 for single filers and $32,200 for married couples filing jointly. Outlier kit. Why does this matter? Because the higher your standard deduction, the less of your income gets taxed. If you're single and earn $60,000, you're only paying taxes on $43,900 of it. That's money back in your pocket without doing anything at all. Most people, especially those without a mortgage or large charitable donations, are better off taking the standard deduction rather than itemizing. And with these new higher amounts, that's true for even more Americans in 2026. Here's a brand new benefit that millions of people don't know about yet. The One Big Beautiful Bill created a special additional deduction just for seniors. For tax years 2025 through 2028, taxpayers who are age 65 or older may be eligible to claim an additional $6,000 deduction per person, or $12,000 if married filing jointly and both spouses qualify. To be eligible, the person must be 65 on or before the last day of the tax year, and the deduction phases out for taxpayers with modified adjusted gross income over $75,000 or $150,000 for joint filers. If you're 65 or older and within those income limits, this is one of the most valuable new tax breaks available to you right now. Make sure you're claiming it. Now let's talk about the tax brackets, the rates you actually pay on your income. The good news is the structure stayed the same, 7 brackets ranging from 10% at the bottom to 37% at the top. For 2026, the brackets are 10% for income up to $12,400 for single filers, 12% for income over $12,400, 22% for income over $50,400, 24% for income over $105,700, 32% for income over $200,775, 35% for income over $206,125, and 37% for income over $640,600. CoinGuru. Remember, these are marginal rates. That means you don't pay 22% on all your income just because you earn $55,000. You only pay 22% on the dollars above $5,400. Every dollar below that is taxed at the lower rates. Most middle-income Americans end up with an effective tax rate, what they actually pay overall, well below their top bracket. Here's where this gets really important for your long-term financial plan. Because the tax brackets are now permanent, you can make smarter decisions about whether to put money into a traditional account, where you save on taxes now, or a Roth account, where you pay taxes now and withdraw tax-free later. If you're currently in the 12% or 22% bracket, paying taxes now and using a Roth IRA or Roth 401k is an incredibly powerful move. Locking in today's rates means your money grows completely tax-free for decades. Tax planning is a year-round exercise, and making tax-aware decisions continuously by structuring withdrawals, selecting investment vehicles, and timing income is far more powerful than simply reacting at tax time. Here are 3 things you can do this week to take advantage of these changes. Step 1. Check your withholding. The standard deduction went up, which means if you haven't updated your W-4 at work, you might be having too much withheld from every paycheck. Update it and keep more money now instead of waiting for a refund next year. Step 2. If you're 65 or older, confirm you're claiming the new $6,000 senior deduction when you file. If you're not sure, ask a tax preparer or visit irs.gov directly. Step 3. Decide between Roth and traditional contributions this year. Now that brackets are permanent and confirmed, you can model exactly what your future tax situation looks like. If you're in a low bracket today, Roth wins. If you're in a high bracket and expect to earn less in retirement, traditional wins. Tax law isn't the most exciting topic, but understanding it is one of the highest return things you can do for your financial life. The people who pay attention to these changes keep more of their money. The people who ignore them pay more than they have to. Now you know what changed. The only question is what you'll do about it. Subscribe for a new money lesson every single day. We make the complicated stuff simple so you can make smarter decisions starting right now.